I mean, it's totally up to you. You can leave your background as plain as like this, or get some shelving units like the one I got from IKEA, the Fjallbo or Fjallbo. I still can't pronounce it. Please help me out. And turn your background into this. Hey guys, Jeffry Esmeralda here, and welcome to my channel. Before the unboxing, the reason why you want to upgrade your boring background is so that you can effectively connect with your audience. You want to showcase the things that can make them say, "Oh, I like that," or "I can't believe you have that too," or "I think I know what you do based on what I'm seeing," or "I know you're a pro." So having said that, let's get into it. Okay, so it looks like we got everything here. We got the manual. I think this looks like they're the legs. And this to me looks like the support for the wood, or how many pieces of plywood we have here. We have 3 sheets here of plywood, and we also have the mesh. I think that's going to be for the bottom part of this structure. I think these are brackets. I hope. Yeah, and these are the brackets that will be, I guess, connecting the structure. We also got screws here. Lots of screws. And I think support for the legs as well. So unfortunately, this is not like a step-by-step video tutorial to assemble this thing. It's just an unboxing, but you can follow the instructions on this manual, and I think it's pretty much straightforward. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse so that we save some time, okay? Boom shakala. I mean, like, come on, look at this. I think we did a pretty good job. I know I'm covering this a little bit, so we're gonna move to another perspective. But before that, we're just gonna turn off the ceiling lights to see if there's any difference. And now this is how it looks like with the ceiling lights off. What do you guys think? And so now moving on to the next view. And this is how it looks like from this perspective. What do you guys think? But let's turn on the ceiling lights again and see how it looks like. And with the ceiling lights on, this is how the space looks like. What do you guys think? Do you like this view better than the other one? Or do you like it with the lights on or lights off? Let me know in the comments down below and I'll check out what you guys think. But I guess the important thing is that the mission here had been accomplished. Our background is definitely much nicer, less boring, and more engaging. Now let me ask you this. Did you recognize anything behind me here? Or did it connect with you? If the force is with you, I think I know what you're thinking. I hope you found some value from this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. And make sure to watch my next video for my 2023 desktop setup part number 1, where I will give you a more in-depth tour of my studio slash office for my technology, accessories, decor, and where to find them, and also some tips on how to save some money in setting up your desktop. And that's it for now. My name is Jeffry Esmeralda. Keep creating. Cheers and see you next time. Bye. Background. Into this. Into this. Into this, into this, into this.